What's up everybody, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to teach you how to set up your Rock Everywhere portable Bluetooth speaker. Now since this is a Bluetooth speaker, you can connect any smartphone or tablet to it by going to your Bluetooth settings and looking for the device Rock Everywhere. Click on it to pair and you'll be good to go. So now let's head over to Mike, who's going to tell us more about the Rock Everywhere.
What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the Rock Everywhere, which is a rugged, portable, and waterproof Bluetooth speaker with TWS. Over here we have the included charging cable, aux cable 3.5 to 3.5. Really cool, we also include a mount clamp, so this screws onto the bottom of the speaker and allows you to mount it onto bike handlebars, shower heads, or really just anything it'll fit around. We also include a rubber strap, and this attaches to the side of the speaker and is another way that you can just attach it to a belt loop, a backpack, a harness. And here is the speaker itself. There's also 3 LED indicators on the side over here that let you know exactly how much juice is left. And on the side there's a built-in USB power bank so you can charge your phone on the go. There's also multiple playback options from Bluetooth to aux to SD cards. Now I mentioned before the Rock Everywhere has TWS capabilities, which means you can link it with another Rock Everywhere and play in true wireless stereo, so the left side of the music will come out of one speaker and the right side of the music will come out of the other speaker. Let me show you how to set that up right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your phone or device from Bluetooth. Then what you're going to want to do is turn both of the units on. Bluetooth. Then what you're going to do is double click the play button on both units. You'll hear that noise and it'll try to connect to each other. Once you hear that noise, you know it has connected to each other. Connect our phone back through Bluetooth. Now I'm connected. Let's hear what this sounds like right now. That sounds incredible. And this is actually wirelessly, so I can move it around.
So we hope this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Rock Everywhere portable Bluetooth speaker. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. We'll see you guys next time.